A laser-based process could cut photonics manufacturing costs in half. Why one company is signing a $94 million deal with the US Space Force, and how sunlight could turn plastic waste into clean energy. All your industry headlines are on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Sidor Optics. Our world is flat, your choice is clear. Visit sidor.com for more info. By FJW Optical, paving the way in industrial optics since 1969. Go to fjwoptical.com to learn more. And by LightPath Technologies, a global leader in optical and thermal imaging technology. Visit lightpath.com to chat with an expert. This is Photonics Spectra Now, covering all the latest news and developments across the industry. I'm Joe Kaczynski, Senior Editor with Photonics Spectra. Could a new laser-based process upend one of the most stubborn choke points in modern manufacturing? Freeform Photonics thinks so. It is working to commercialize a technology that they say will rewrite the rules of photonics manufacturing and cut production costs in half. Researchers from Heriot-Watt University, of which Freeform was spun out, have developed a process that builds alignment directly into optical glass components, doing away with the painstaking manual calibration that accounts for more than half of all photonics production's costs. Researchers envision this process being used in applications spanning quantum computing, medical diagnostics, telecom, and aerospace. Officials with Freeform say they already have more than 100 industry leaders and prospective companies interested in adopting this model. Observable Space, a full-stack, vertically integrated space technology company, has secured a $94 million contract from the US Space Force and closed on a $90 million investment round. Funds from the investment round will be used to accelerate laser communication partnerships, scale its in-space systems, and expand international operations. As for the deal with Space Force, that's part of a US Department of Defense program to augment existing space domain awareness capabilities. Observable Space has already received $22 million from the federal agency in initial task orders. Semiconductor metrology company and ASML spinout, Invisix has raised more than $23 million to grow its team and accelerate product development. Invisix has developed a high-throughput metrology alternative using a soft X-ray light source. This technology can see inside complex semiconductor devices, something many optical measurement tools cannot. Money from this latest funding round will also go towards establishing a new clean room in the Netherlands for customer demonstrations. In personnel news, Fremos is appointing Frederik Schönebeck as co-CEO alongside Andreas Franz. The solutions provider says this move is about strengthening its position in embedded vision. Fremos is actively transitioning from component supplier to a provider of system-ready embedded vision solutions focused on integrated systems and scalable deployment. The company had acquired EMAC Inc., a maker of custom embedded computing systems and integration services, earlier this spring. Schönebeck will continue to lead product and technology at Fremos while taking on this new position. A new partnership will unite expertise and infrastructure across European borders as the UK and France are launching a biomedical and AI health alliance with advanced imaging transforming their research. The UK's Diamond Light Source and France's Synchrotron Soleil will offer the advanced imaging infrastructure needed here, including synchrotron imaging and ultra-powerful, non-destructive X-ray technique. Their mission starts by tackling matters with women's health, infectious diseases, and pandemic preparedness. And there are few environmental challenges bigger than cutting down on plastic pollution and shifting to cleaner energy alternatives. Well, one new method offers a two birds, one stone solution. It just needs a little sunlight. A team from Adelaide University says they've demonstrated that targeted sunlight has the potential to break down plastic while producing materials like hydrogen at the same time. The process, known as solar-driven photoreforming, uses light-activated materials called photocatalysts to break down plastics at relatively low temperatures. These reactions can produce hydrogen, a clean fuel with zero emissions at the point of use, as well as other valuable chemicals. Now, you can't power your home with old soda bottles or discarded candy wrappers just yet. Researchers say this method would need to be adapted to the realities of a commercial waste facility. Basically, your dump would have to sort through the unique kinds of plastics and then pre-treat the materials before the start of the process. But it's a big step towards turning your trash into treasure. And with an estimated 8 billion tons of plastic pollution already littering our planet, there's the potential to generate something truly powerful. You can send any story tips to video@photonics.com, and be sure to visit photonics.com for complete coverage on all the headlines from our industry. Before you go, click that subscribe button in the corner for notifications from the Photonics Media YouTube channel for new episodes of Photonics Spectra Now and the very latest recordings of the All Things Photonics podcast. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.